Time for the morning farm routine. Are you ready to go out, sweetie? Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This should be the last morning. You'll have to come out for a while because it's going to be warmer, but it's going to be rainy. Warmer, but rainy. Stay here. No, sir. Stay here. There you go. There you go. Get the rodent poop out of Mama's food. That's gross. Here we go. This is better. You're so sweet. You are. You're so sweet. Ella. Come on, you guys. Hush, George. All right, cuties. Come here. Where do you think you're going? You're going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'll bring you your water in just a minute. All right. They're glad to be outside. All right, let's get everybody else fed. Good morning. I'm gonna go get new feed for y'all today. Pig feed. Goat feed. This is just something to start with. My 2-gallon buckets are not where they're supposed to be. And a clean spot. Just to get y'all started. Right here. There you go. I'll be back with more food in a little bit. Put out some extra food over here for the pigs. I'm gonna bring some feed to Peter and Cairo, who are stuck inside right now. Oh boy! Hey guys. I'll bring y'all some more food in a minute. Hey, sweet. Wintertime's the hardest time with these animals. Not a lot on pasture for them to eat. After we move, we'll have bigger pastures, so they'll at least have more to do, be more entertaining for them. And for a time period, they'll have more to eat too. Been mixing the goat feed with chicken feed to have it stretch because I did not have enough feed. Feed mill's been running out of feed. The mill went down and so they weren't making feed for a couple of weeks. I think that was around Thanksgiving. And they still haven't been able to recover. So I had to be on a waiting list for 2 weeks 2 weeks before my feed was ready. Taking us for hay. But after we move, our goal is to be feed free, except on the milking stand and in the wintertime. I'm working on a wintertime thing too.